Good morning, YouTube. Damn, I'm having a bad hair day. Well, it's been quite a while, you guys. I haven't made videos in quite some time. I had a lot of things going on. There's been a lot of changes in my household over these past couple months. Let me fill you in as far as the car stuff. I no longer have the BMW. The BMW is gone. BMW I've had for quite some time, plenty of years. It was the family car for me and the kids. Had a lot of great memories in it, but you know, just being with family and driving around, BMW, especially a sedan 328i, is just too small. And yeah, it was just time to get rid of it. It was pushing over 200,000 miles, so ended up selling that. Also got rid of the Honda. Unfortunately, our household of 5 is now 4. No deaths or anything crazy like that, but our oldest decided that she wanted to go back home and live with her family over here, where we got rules and chores, and you know, and she didn't want to play by the rules, and we gave her the opportunity to see if she wanted to stay. Said cut the crap or you can go back home, and she chose to go back home. With that being said, I did pick up something fun. I ended up picking up a Honda Ruckus. It's a 2019, and the thing's sweet. I drove it towards the end of the summer, but right now it's winter time and Thanksgiving's approaching, so I don't get to have fun with it as much. Sorry guys, I'm cooking right now. Cooking the Bam Bam some breakfast. Today I do got some car content for you guys. My brother's bringing over his EG sedan, and we are going to adjust some coilovers today. I'll also have a sneak peek of some new parts that I got for the EK hatch, and within the next couple days I'll be doing some install videos. And long hair don't care. See you guys in a bit. What to do today is raise the car, and that's fucking it. That's fucking hot. God damn. We had to cut one of his lug nut studs off because tightened it too tough and cross-threaded them. But what we gonna do here is, what you need is these guys right here. They're called spanner wrenches. I have one more here somewhere. And what they do is they hook on your coilover like this, so that you can raise the car and you spin them to whatever height that you want, and then you tighten them together, and that's how you raise and lower your camber kits or your coilovers. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. See, this is what we're doing. Riding them up. The bottom one's what you use to set the height. Spin them together if you want. We'll go. Where should we use a lug nut stud for length? We'll make the bottom one even with your lug nut. Okay. And that's what we'll use for reference. Perfect. Okay. And then tighten them up. Hold that shit. Hold this one in place. Hold one of them in place. And then go across the top one. Oh wait, wrong way. fucking pain in the ass. Tighten them against each other. I bought this off some white boy who didn't know what he was doing. Alright. Alright, and that's good. Alright. Push that through. No, we don't want it. Fuck it. Alright, let's put your wheel on.
Alright, here's that. Oh, no, turn it off.
And then we'll check the ride. No, it didn't turn off.
Oh, dude.
And then we'll check the ride height.
Okay.
Alright, now that that is pretty much done, sorry it wasn't a super specific video, but you know, a lot of people, they run into camber issues and they run into alignment issues or blow tires, which is what happened in my brother's case. Now, we leveled it out using a lug nut. He has relatively long lug nut studs, and we just measured the top of the bottom coil adjustment, equivalent to about, you know, the size of the lug nut as far as height goes, and just did it for the both back ones. Now the fronts are a little bit different as far as like how the adjustment sits and the structure of the strut itself, because those are just sleeves. But other than that, adjusting the height of your car is pretty easy, especially if you don't have a camber kit. All it just takes is a couple spanner wrenches and about an hour of your time. Now this is for something that's more along the lines of kind of backyardigan stuff. Like I wouldn't do height adjustment and then take my car out to the track. If you're looking for something more along the lines, there are more precise ways to do it, especially like there's like angle measurements, there's like specific tools where you can measure the angles of the camber along with the height of the car. That's really up to you guys, but this is just more of a get your ride height within somewhat spec, so you're not, you know, driving with bad alignment or, you know, uneven tread throughout your, you know, using your daily commuter. But other than that, you guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. I do have more content for you guys coming soon. But yeah, share it. Peace.